Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show how to hopefully resolve issues if you're trying to connect to the remote registry in Windows. It doesn't really matter what version of Windows you're running, it should all pretty much be the same. So we're going to start by typing in services. It should be listed as the desktop app in Windows 10. Earlier versions shouldn't say anything underneath. So you want to left click on that. Then you want to scroll down until you get to remote registry. Right here. You want to right click on it and then left click on properties. If startup type is set to disabled, click on the little drop down arrow next to that or click anywhere on this bar. Set it to automatic. Click on apply, and then there should be a new option that should be ungrayed out, and it should say start right here on the left side. Left click on start. Once it says it's running, you can click on OK in this window. And then if you try to start up your remote registry again, hopefully it should open up and set up successfully. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.